Hello and welcome back. I hope you all had a wonderful spring break. Now it's back to work. So we are starting off again in Unit 3, The Thoughtful Consumer. And we are now in week 10, Big Purchases. Okay. So it's for the week of April 19th to the 23rd. So here, Monday, day 1, April 19th. Let's see what we have to do for today. As always, you will watch the video first and then you'll click Async. You have two activities in Async today. The first activity is in your textbook, page 48. So you will complete page 48 and 49. You'll read the article, and here is the audio for the article, and then you will complete the main idea and you will do the true and false part A and B. Okay, so you find the main idea and where did you find it here, the lines, and then it says create a list to restate each step in your words. So you have to do here, it tells you a list, 8 things, and you're just going to write it in your own words, okay? And then you'll do these 4 questions, true or false, and how do you know what helps you figure out if it was true or false. Then you'll picture and upload it to Schoology. That's your first async assignment. Your second async assignment is a quiz on evidence, the different types of evidence. So you will say, that to me was surprising. Is it a fact, a statistic, a quote, or a personal anecdote? So that's what you will do for each one. You read the evidence, and then you select which one is correct. And that's it for async. It is Monday. That means we have Zoom class together, and we will be practicing doing something in page 48, and we'll be practicing identifying evidence. And that's it for today. Good luck.